Good morning, Dave here with Organic Gardening in North Carolina. It is April the 30th, time for my April garden tour. And it's a little chilly this morning. Probably about, I don't know, I didn't look at the thermometer, probably 55 or 60. But there's a lot growing in the garden, so let's turn the camera around and I'll show you what's going on. All right, here's kale we've been munching on. I just made some kale chips and feeding it to the rabbits. Some spinach. Here's my biggest blueberry bush. Looks like we should have some blueberries before too long. Here's a winter sown tomato. I think that's a beefsteak. There were actually 3 in there, so I transplanted a couple down here too. So they should be getting ready to take off. Let's see. I planted some watermelons down here in the hill. You can't really see because they're not up yet. My raspberries are growing. I'm sorry, these are blackberries that I just planted last fall. Here's a volunteer peach tree. Here's potatoes. I planted them early. They actually got frosted off a couple times, but now they're starting to grow. And there's in the midst of some kale there too. Here's some arugula. Look at my garlic patch. Got a lot of garlic. I'm gonna giving that away. My cilantro has gone crazy. Some Swiss chard. It's about going to seed here. That's about 2.5 feet tall. And then that was planted last year, and I have some that I planted this spring too that's coming up. So we're getting ready to start harvesting that. There's a carrot from last year. It looks pretty old and gnarly. My goji berry seems to be doing well. I planted some garlic. Excuse me. Planted some garlic here, and I put some squash in the middle. Trying to do whatever I can to try to keep those vine borers away. Here's some sorrel. Walking onions, one to seed. This is a tree lettuce I got from M.I. Gardener. Look how big the leaves are on that. But it's supposed to have a stalk that goes straight up. You don't want to pick off that main leader or it'll stop the growth of everything. There's another volunteer peach tree. That thing's the one that didn't even lose its leaves for the winter. I can't believe it's that healthy. I planted some carrots here not too long ago. They're just starting to come up. Oh, we're starting to get some strawberries too. Looks like something ate that one already before we got to it. We have eaten a few though. There's some ripe ones. These are everbearing, which I haven't been real thrilled with their taste. Here's another patch of arugula. The raspberries up here are starting to come through. Starting to put out quite a bit. I planted some Juneberry and strawberries up here. These berries are supposed to get a lot bigger, and they're supposed to be a lot better tasting too. I got some early girls from the store because my seed starts and my winter sowing efforts have not been as good as they should be. So I got 3 early girls I planted in this tomato cage. Let's see, I got some sugar peas or snow peas, I can't remember which, growing along this other side of this trellis. Come around here and show you. This is my comfrey that I've already chopped it once, and it's coming up again. It's like some more kale and carrots. Here's some more Swiss chard. There's my fig tree starting to come to life right there. Let me hop over here. Oh, look at the bloody dock. It's really taken off. This is the bed where I harvested my Jerusalem artichokes. And you can see they're starting to really sprout out and take off too. I did put some radishes along the edge here. These are radishes. This is the Jerusalem artichokes. I think I planted, oh yeah, I have some beets planted here too. See those beets right there? And I think I planted some pole beans in here too. Yeah, I'm sure I planted some rattlesnake pole beans. I also put some fig stalks in the ground from where I trimmed my fig tree. You can see they're sprouting up right there. Let's see, yeah, there's a sprout right there to the side of that cutting. There's a sprout there to the side of this cutting. This one, I'm pretty sure has a sprout starting there, a little bud. This one here has a sprout. I'm not sure if you can see that. The sun's glaring on my camera. Another fig sprout here. And some leaves coming out on this one too. So, if those grow in the midst of the Jerusalem artichokes, I'm gonna have a lot of fig stalks getting going. Oh, here's another blackberry. I staked it up to that little post there. I haven't had much success with these blackberries, which is why I got those other ones, the new ones. But they look like they're doing pretty well this year. I've been harvesting my French breakfast radishes. They've been doing really well. Some winter sown broccoli here. It's been doing well. This is winter sown cilantro. Some sweet peppers. There's a YOLO Wonder sweet pepper. This would be Spanish Mammoth sweet pepper. This would be an Anaheim chili. And last but not least is a jalapeno. Some more garlic around here. Some winter sown tomatoes down in there. And here's some more winter sown tomatoes. Some lettuce. Here's some more of that blackberry, the new one that I planted. Some radishes. These radishes here have taken off. They're probably almost 2 feet tall. They have a black stem, or a black root. The radish is black on the outside and then white on the inside, but they have really nice greens. You can eat the greens of radishes. I just proved it. Here's a row of carrots and some spring onions. All right, well, thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.